will explain you about QBasic. Sorry, I have already explained about QBasic. Now here I'm going to do the this programming of QBasic. Okay. So one I have already explained. So another program I will explain here with the help of this. Whenever you open QBasic, you will get this message. Okay. So you can delete this message by pressing ESC key. Okay. So see the message is deleted now. Now to get big screen, what you have to do, you have to press Alt Enter. What you have to press? Alt Enter. So as you press Alt Enter, you will get the big screen. Okay. Now here you have to write the program. So we discussed the program that is given on page number 36, program number 1. Okay. In that I have explained you what is input command. Okay. What is if command, what then is used for, and what is the use of print command, and last what is the use of if command. Okay. So here we will go to the next program on page that is given on page number 37. Okay. So here a program, it is program about to write a program to enter any number and find out whether it is negative or positive. Okay. So again, we will use if only, because according to the condition we can, or according to a situation or the position of the number, we can find the number is negative or the positive. So let's start writing the program. Now here I'm going to write the program. Okay, here I'll write, first I'll write CLS. Okay, then after I'll write print. CLS is used to clear the screen, that is that appear during the runtime. Okay. So before whatever program you will have, that will be erased and your program will run with a new window, blank clear page. Okay. Now here we will take input INPUT. Now I have already explained about input. So here input we use to ask a value from the user for a variable. Okay. Variable means that in maths you take now for some of the question to find out the age of the boy. Okay. So we assign the age of the boy maybe X or Y or Z. So similarly here also we take some numbers or some alphabets or some that text as a variable. Okay. So that the age of the boy be X. So X is a variable. So here also we will take a variable, and whatever we write with an inverter comma, that will be appear as it is. So here I'm going to write enter the number. Okay. So what I have written enter the number means this enter the number will print as it is or appear as it is when I will run the program. And input is a command that will ask a value for a variable. Which variable? The variable that I am going to give after semicolon, that is n. According to book, it is written n. Okay, so here n is our variable for which I will ask the value by using input command. Okay, and the statement will be there in enter the number. Okay, now press enter. Line 1 is clear, I think. Now let's see the third line, that is if n is greater than 0. So here we are going to give condition using if command. Okay. Now if this n, if this n will greater than 0, Okay. So what we will type? we will type then if the number that we have given is 0 greater than 0, okay, then it will print what it will show, the result. It will give the result. So to show the result according to the condition, we will use print. Okay, so we will print what we will print. So statement that we want to print, where we will write within inverted comma. So there's the statement that we want to print as a result is given here in the book. The number is positive. The number is positive. The number is positive. Okay. Now, if the number that we have typed is less than 0 means in minus, -1, minus, less than 0 means -1, -2, -3, isn't it? So if it will be less than 0, then what will happen? Children, are you able to listen me? Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able
Yes,
to
ma'am.
are you able to see whatever I have explained and I have typed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. See, children, I'm not going to mute you all, because if you will not respond me, then I will think that it may be in network problem. Okay, so I'm explaining to the wall or to the screen only. Okay, I'll feel like this. Okay, so I'm not going to mute you all, but you have to promise me that you have to promise me that you will not speak anything. If you would like to speak anything to your parent or to anyone, kindly mute your mic. Okay, or you keep muting your mic. Okay, keep your mic
Okay, ma'am.
mute, and whenever you need to speak, then only you speak. Okay, see, किसके घर में ये चल रहा है?
मैम मेरे को
Yes.
टीवी चला कह रहे
Ma'am, your printing spelling is wrong. You have written PRIT.
Okay, I'll correct that. If I'll type wrong, then the computer will give me message. This QBasic will give me message. Okay. So as I press enter, after writing this, as I press enter, see, oh God.
फोटो नचा खाली पढाइले तू
हाँ
कुन चाहिँ पढ्ने
Who is this? Who is this?
गेली
पूरा थोड़ा सीखूंगा
अधिक ना अच्छा से सही करके हमें कुछ सरकार
Who is this?
मेरे को मार रही सर पे क्यों मार
Kindly
रही
off
है
your mic. Kindly off your mic, children. Okay. So print means it will give result as it is. Okay. Now, if
Ma'am,
the
your voice is not coming.
my voice is not okay.
Ma'am, your voice is coming.
No, ma'am, your voice is coming.